Ayan guys. So, wow. The stage is giving. Diba? As you can see, may mga pasasakit dyan. And the runway is there. So, talagang ano talaga. Talagang. So, paikot siya guys. 360 siya. As in, punong-puno na talaga siya guys. Hello, ayan. So, punong-puno na talaga guys. Mga 18 talagang nakabilis. Ang ganda ng stage. Though it's a runway stage, but still, uh, napaka-cool niya. Hindi ko talaga expect na ganito yung stage. Talagang, so ito yung view ng upper box. 403 ka na. Punong-puno na talaga guys. Congratulations. That's the night. I can't wait na makita yung show because it's gonna blow our minds, I think. Kasi iba talaga to. Runway, collaboration with Francis Libiran. So, renowned fashion designer talaga siya. And halos lahat ng mga 18 nagsuot talaga sila ng black, silver, gray, gano'n. So, it matches the theme of Fast Zone. So this is the stage. If you want to take a closer look, ayan. So I really don't know pa kung ano talaga yung stage niya. But looks promising, you know. Abangan na lang natin guys. Dahil in a bit, mag-start.